All right, guys, so number one is a GeoGebra problem. It says graphing inverse. And once this pop up, we will see our problem. Okay, so we are given a graph of f, and we want to move the 2 points so that the line G, which looks to be this dotted line, is the graph of f inverse. Okay, so first we need to figure out the equation of f. And since it's linear, we can see it crosses the y-axis at -5. Okay, so I will start out y equals, and if we look at our slope, we go up 1, right 1. So it looks like we have a slope of 1, and we just subtract 5. Okay, so this is equal to y equals x minus 5. All right. To find the inverse, so this is the same as f x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, we just use x and y sometimes, but we need to use y to find the inverse. So to find the inverse, we're going to switch places with x and y. So I'm going to say x equals y minus 5, and then we're going to solve for y again. So when I switch places and then I solve for y, I would add 5. And this will give me x plus 5 is equal to, that will cancel out, y. So once I get this, I'll replace that with the correct symbol. So that's going to be f inverse of x. And that's going to be equal to x plus 5. Just, you can rewrite it so it looks correctly. So this is our inverse function, and then we're going to graph that. So we're going to start at +5, and our slope is going to be up 1, right 1. I guess let me do it backwards. So down 1, left 1 is the same as up and right 1. And you can check by plugging in a value. So if I was to plug in -1 for x, -1 plus 5 will give me 4, and that's where we end up. So looks good. We can check it, and it says correct. So as long as you switch places x and y, and then you solve for y, that is going to give you f of inverse.